one-dimensional wave equations with zero initial velocity. So first we shall discuss about what is wave equation. The wave equations dou square y divided by dou t square equal to a square dou square y divided by dou x square, where y is a dependent variable is a function of independent variable x and t, that is y of x comma t. We have to denote the one dimensional wave equations here, where a square is t by m, that is capital T divided by small m. T is nothing but tension, then all divided by small m is mass per unit length of the string. This one is always positive. The one dimensional wave equation means we have to write dou square y divided by dou t square equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. So this is around 2 mark questions. Define wave equations, or sometimes they will be asked what is a square value in one dimensional wave equations. So a square is nothing but t divided by m, tension divided by mass per unit length of the string, or sometimes they will be asked c square, that is a variable. So whatever thing they will be asked in the examination means, so you have to write that one in the same formats. So this is a very important 2 mark questions. So next we shall go through the possible solutions of one dimensional wave equations. The various possible solution of wave equations are y of x comma t equal to a1 e power px plus a2 e power minus px into a3 e power pat plus a4 e power minus pat. The second case is y of x comma t equal to a5 cos px plus a6 sin px into a7 cos pat plus a8 sin pat. And third case, y of x comma t equal to a9 of x plus a10 into a11 of t plus a12. So this is 3 possible various solutions for one dimensional wave equations. For these 3 we have to choose which one is correct solutions based on the problem. For first we can take number 1, this is exponential form. So exponential forms is a very difficult one to find the wave frequency. Then last one is a line form. This also we are able to find the frequency here. So only one possible is we can using only the trigonometry form we able to find the displacement of the string. So cos we have one wave, then sin is also we have one wave form. So we have to using this trigonometry form we will get the required displacement of the string. So the out of these 3, the second one is the correct exact solutions for one dimensional wave equations. So we have 3 possible solutions. In the 3 possible solutions we can choose the second equation is correct solutions for finding the one dimensional wave equations. So next we shall go through the steps to find one dimensional wave equations with zero initial velocity. Okay, so be careful here, the wording is very important one. Here is we have 2 types. One is zero initial velocity, next one is non-zero initial velocity. So be careful for that. So the boundary condition must be changed in the zero and non-zero initial velocity. So first we shall go through the zero initial velocity. So these are following procedures. I can explain this one. During the problem I will tell elaborately here. So first step number 1. The boundary conditions are number 1 y of 0 comma t equal to 0. Number 2 y of L comma t equal to 0. These are 2 boundary conditions. These 2 are initial conditions. So So dou y by dou t of x comma 0 equal to 0. Then y of x comma 0 equal to f of x. These four are very important one. So first one is starting from 0 ending with L. Second one is time is 0, initial velocity must be 0 here. So y of 0 comma t equal to 0, y of L comma t equal to 0. These are two cases for boundary condition. So next two cases are initial conditions. Dou y by dou t of x comma 0 equal to 0. Then y of x comma 0 equal to f of x. So next step number 2, choose the correct solutions. So already I told. So we have three possible solutions. In the three possible solutions, we can choose the second solutions based on the trigonometric form. So therefore, y of x comma t equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px into c3 cos pat plus c4 sin pat. So here is I can take, instead of a I can take c1, c2, c3, c4. Okay. So next step number 3, applying the condition 1 in 1. So we can take this condition 1 in the given equations 1. Then we can find c1 equal to 0. So substitute c1 equal to 0 in the equation number 1. So we will get equation number 2. Then substitute 2 in second conditions. Then find p equal to n pi by L. Then substitute this value in equation number 2. So we get 3. Okay. So next we can substitute equation number 3 in 3. So we can substitute 3 in 3. We get c4 equal to 0. So substitute c4 equal to 0 in the same equations. That is equation number 3. So we will get equation number 4. So in the equation number 4, we can take cn equal to c2 c3. So we will get c2 c3. So we will get many constant numbers present in that equations. So for that case I can take cn, or we can take bn values. So we can take cn equal to c2 c3, or we can take bn equal to c2 c3. So based on the given problem here. Okay. So next, apply the condition 4 in 5. So we get, that is 4 in 4, we get equation number 5. So these are final equations of the given problem. So these are very important one. So using the final equations, we can expand y f of x. So f of x is a given function. That function is based on the sine, and that is sine series of range sine series formula. This one is already very well in the unit number 3. So using the same formulas, we can apply here to find bn value. So after finding the bn, then you can substitute that one in equation number 5. We get the final solutions of the given one-dimensional wave equation problem. So these are very important steps here. So again I can tell here. So first we can write the four boundary conditions. This first 2 is boundary conditions, next 2 is initial conditions. So first starting with 0 to L, so t can be represented as it is. Second case is we can take the second value must be in 0, initial 0 velocity. Okay, this f of x is given problem. So here is one important thing is, so up to the step number equation number 5 must be same for all the problems here. That is based on the 0 velocity problem. So you don't go through again and again. So only the function must be changed. So using that functions we can find the, that is you can find, or using in the sine series functions of range sine series formula. So that is the main thing. Similarly, here is one important thing is, so put the equations correctly here. So then while you don't disturb in the any equation formats. So 1 in 1 like that. So 1 in 1, then 2 in 2, then 3 in 3, then 4 in 4, we get 50 equations. So using 50 equation, you find the bn value by using sine series. Then after finding the bn, you can substitute that value in the equation number 5. So we will get the required solutions of this problem. These are very important chapters. So these are first problem. I told the steps here. So next sections I can start with the problem number 1 based on the 0 initial velocity. So go through the procedure here. It's a very important formulas. Thank you.